what's up guys, Faisal here and welcome back to another video on our channel $1 Billion iTech. In today's video, I will demonstrate how to use your iPhone as a webcam. If you guys are interested, stay tuned and let's get started. Let's install the app on iPhone first or any Android phone. Open the App Store, search Irion, the first app with blue logo. Well, as you guys can see, there are not enough reviews on iPhone version. I will get to that in a while, the good and the bads of this app. Once the installation is done on your phone, now let's install the Irion on laptop. Open the irion.com on your browser. I have also provided the link in the description below. If you're using Windows machine, Mac OS or Ubuntu, depending on your operating system, you may download the following version. For me, I'm using MacBook Pro, so I will download and install the webcam for Mac version. Click to download the webcam for Mac, which is in my case. As you guys can see, the software will begin to download. Once the download is completed, click the install it. The installation will begin. Click continue. Next, for license, click continue. Click on agree. Click continue again. Finally, click on install. Key in your MacBook password. Let the installation to complete. You will see the following message. Once the installation is completed, click on move to bin, as you don't need the installation files anymore. Now let's open the webcam, but before that, make sure your phone and laptop both are connected to the same Wi-Fi for this to work. Now let's launch the Irion application on your laptop and on your mobile as well. Here we go. The wireless mobile webcam is ready and live, as you guys can see. Now let's talk about the goods and the bads. The first good thing is that it's a wireless webcam and is completely free for iPhone, but it has in-app purchase on Android phone. Number 2, it allows you to switch front and back camera, and you can use the flashlight as well. Well, at this moment it doesn't show any ads and is quite better than the Epoch Cam free version. If you made it this far, consider subscribing. So now let's talk about the bads. Well, not many, but no close button to go back, stuck at the camera screen unless you close the application. Last but not least, make sure your Wi-Fi connection is stable for this application to work without any hiccups. All in all, it's a good and ad-free app, and the free version will do the job. Thanks for watching. If this video helps you, give it thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That really helps. I'm your host Faisal. Until then, peace.